We are live here at Melajo Road, and as you can see, a KISS truck ran into the shed of the residents here. Very unfortunate situation. We have been clamoring for this road to be repaired by the Ministry of Works. This road is vested under the Ministry of Works, and through our chairman, Mr. Terry Randon, had requested that the councillor give 2 roads that falls under the Ministry of Works to be repaired. I had given this road, Melajo Road, that is in Vega, also Budu Highway, that is in the constituency of Komoto Manzalina. And nothing is being done by the Ministry of Works in Sangre Grande. The Ministry of Works compound in Sangre Grande has actually no material in their stockpile. They have no sand, no oil, and I do not think that they have even a working backhoe. As you can see, the police is on the scene. And these are what we have to be dealing with here. This is what we have to be dealing with here. We don't know what the Ministry of Works is doing, what the Member of Parliament in Toko Sangre Grande is doing, what the government is doing. Instead of building highways from Komoto to Manzalina and from Valencia to Toko, it's about high time that they put the poor people in this region, give them some priority, show them that they have a conscience, and let good sense prevail. I'm going to see about the people who was injured in this fatal incident. Thank you. So these people here, they were flooded out on October the 19th. And here, next situation, a KISS truck ran into their shed. And there's a person that lives here. He's visually impaired. And God has it that he wasn't seated today.